A major mistake that trips up countless men is they lay all their cards out on the table, offering her everything. And what do they get in return? Nothing. Why does this happen? It all boils down to a simple yet frequently overlooked concept: the value of scarcity. I'm not just talking about your time here, though that is crucial. This goes beyond time. It's about your emotional real estate and your undivided attention too. The rarer you make these commodities, the more she's going to realize that she not only wants them, but she needs them. You don't have to announce this shift. Be subtle about it. Let the transformation in how you allot your resources and time be sensed rather than stated. Make her feel the absence. As she feels this void, she'll start to question why she even feels this way, and you become the prize she's motivated to win. Your shift to scarcity should be something she experiences as a realization, kind of like an aha moment that makes her understand just how essential you are. That's when she stops taking you for granted and starts treating you like the quality man that you've always been.